In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Discord banner in Canva. Before we open Canva, let's quickly cover the right sizes so your design looks perfect where it matters. For a server banner, use 960 by 540 pixels, which follows a 16:9 ratio and sits at the top of your server's channel list. For a profile banner, go with 600 by 240 pixels, a wide, slim format that looks great on personal accounts. Discord accepts PNG, JPG, and GF files, so you have flexibility, but knowing your target size at the start prevents awkward cropping later. Now, head to canva.com and sign in. Once you're in, create a custom design so your canvas matches Discord's exact dimensions. Click Create a design, then choose Custom Size. Enter your width and height in pixels, 960 by 540 for a server banner, or 600 by 240 for a profile banner. Double-check that the units are set to pixels, not inches or millimeters, to keep everything sharp and accurate. With your canvas open, add your background and visuals. You can upload your own photos, textures, or brand imagery, or explore Canva's stock library to find a look that matches your vibe. Drag your chosen image onto the canvas and stretch it to fill the entire space, edge to edge. Keep key subjects away from the very edges so nothing important feels cramped, and consider a subtle blur or dark overlay if you plan to place text on top. It instantly improves readability. Next, bring in your text and graphics. Add your server name or a short tagline, and consider simple icons, shapes, or lines to frame your content. Keep the text concise and legible. Pair a bold headline font with a clean secondary font, and maintain good contrast between text and background. If the text competes with the image, try a semi-transparent shape behind it or a soft shadow for clarity. Refine the layout and colors to match your server's theme or personal style. Adjust your color palette so it feels consistent with your brand or community mood. Align elements so they feel balanced, and leave breathing room around the edges for a polished, professional look. Small tweaks to spacing and font size can make a big difference. When you're happy with the design, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG for crisp graphics and logos, JPG for a smaller file size, or GIF if you designed simple motion. Save your file, and you're ready to use your new Discord banner.